So in order to connect your Windows PC from a Mac, you need to click on like your Windows desktop, click on personalize, go into the concept called remote. So let's type remote over here, and then here it says remote desktop settings. So make sure that remote desktop is on. So the first idea is like go ahead and install the Microsoft Remote Desktop app. I think this is for Mac. You can visit the Mac App Store, or you can simply Google Microsoft Remote Desktop, and this will give you link to come to the desktop app, right? So that's the first step. Go ahead and install it. The next step is, this is Windows. So on Windows, go to your command prompt and get the IP address of your computer. So you are interested in this thing called IPv4 address, which is this thing right over here. Here, assumption is that both your Mac and your Windows are on the same network. The same Wi-Fi network is fine. Here we are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once you have this guy, which is the IPv4 address, then you go inside your Microsoft Remote Desktop, and here you can see list of my various desktops, and you can either add one or you can edit one. But the important point is to add this number, the 10.0.0.213 that we got from the Windows machine over here. And then on the display front, you want to say that, hey, give me fit session to Windows and optimize for Retina. So once you have done all of that, click save, click connect, you double click on it to connect, and then you can open up Windows over here. Like this is my Windows desktop. And as you can see, I can now have full access to Copilots and stuff like that. So essentially, I was trying to play around with the Copilot. That's when I ran into this issue of how do I connect my Windows desktop from Mac